folks. What do we got back here? We got ourselves an old pickup. Been sitting for years and years. And see, she's had some fun in her life, and we're gonna see if we can get her going again so we can do some burnouts. Who wants to do some burnouts? Nasties in there.
He likes it. Hey, Mikey.
All right, let's see what's under the hood. Got a small block Chevy. She had electrical fans. Thinking of pulling them off because they don't work. Pretty sure the battery is junk. Look at this. Look at all these wires. Oh man. Wires. Look at this. Wires. Look at all these wires. So a long time ago, somebody decided to remove side markers, door handles, and so yeah, it's got nothing. It's got no tail lights. It's got no stake holes for the bed. So the only way inside this truck, they used to have door poppers. Those don't work anymore. So had to drill a hole so the only way inside is to yeah, I use a pick. That door's kind of stiff. Like I said, this truck's been sitting for a long time. She's got a mess of wires. She's got some goodies though. She was ripping those tires up back in the day. Man, last I worked on this, the fuel tank came out and cleaned it. But it looks like water got inside somehow. This cap was brand new too. Look at this nasties in there, floating in there. Some great WD-40. Look at this cleaning spray. Man, this thing would sound nice with some headers, huh? Got upgraded ignition. Can you see it? Yeah, upgraded ignition. No more points. It's got a 4-barrel carburetor. The door panels are somewhere. You know what you can do with this junk? Chuck it. Hey, buddy. You want to help me on the truck? Huh, buddy? Psst. Hey. Do you want to help me on the truck? Come on. And tickle your foot. And tickle your foot. Come on. Let's go. Alright. Anybody want an old gas tank? Okay. You can't find WD-40. Maybe this will. Yeah, get it all up in there. Good grease down, yeah. Look at that. Like butter, look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that work great? Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. So, there used to be a coolant reservoir that hung out in here. I know there's no wheel well. And it got smashed. Every time I hit a bump, it got smashed. I got this beautiful reservoir. This thing has an electric fuel pump. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. I'm pretty sure it doesn't work anymore. We'll have to get a new one of those. And air cleaner. Seen better days. It's got flames on it. Not that that does anything. So we gotta get some of these. We got no spark. Yeah, no spark. I took the radiator cap off. I was trying to get. It's empty in there. We're gonna need some liquid, and got some grass growing back here. I want to pull the dipstick. See if we got some oil. We got some oil in there. Yeah, we got some oil. The oil looks really clean, but it's been sitting forever. So what should I do? Should I keep the electric fan idea? Kind of neat, you know, a little more horsepower. What was that, like 2 horsepower? 10 horsepower? Or should I put a fan clutch? Should I put a airplane fan clutch? Make this baby wanna fly. She got. What's that? Oh, what's that? Oh, that doesn't work. secret switches here too. I don't know. Thinking about this. Gutting some of these wires, man. Alright guys, I was going through this mess and decided I think it's time to get rid of this guy. Let's you know, we can try again next time. The fans are burned up, so I mean, so all right, less wires, a little cleaner. I don't know what happened back here. What's all that green? This radiator was new. The last radiator, he got stabbed. The water pump decided to detonate, and this nose came off with the old fan shroud, and the blades went through this old radiator, the old original. And so this one was the replacement. And man, this. I'm sure the warranty's up, right? It's been like 10 years. It's been a long time. Alright, so we need some fuel line. So from the carburetor, this setup going. Let's chop it off and get some fuel line. So I decided to take the battery out as well. It's just it's another thing to replace. I'm thinking of bypassing the heater core. I'm pretty sure it's got some gunk in there. So might be a little happier if we bypass the heater core. Here's that crusty old battery. Is there a date on here anywhere? Yeah, I don't see a date on there. I lied. There is a date. You guys see that? 2010. Whew, I think the battery looks swollen. It's kind of swollen. That's not good. Alright, we got some fuel line. We got new battery. Brand new battery. So fuel pump. ProQuest carries this guy. Figured it'd be nice to put a new fuel pump. You know, it's been. You could use it. You know, if you ever had old stale fuel in these old vehicles, the electric pump it has on it now has been replaced before, and it's gone out before. It's a cheaper one. But yeah. Okay. Here's the old fuel pump. I believe it's a Mr. Gasket fuel pump. pretty toasted. The new pump's down there. The water share took them over. Do. Alright. So again, there's the old fuel pump. Pretty rotten. Had two fuel filters because I had a lot of issues with the gas tank, and I cleaned it. Had it cleaned professionally once, and then I cleaned it myself with a special concoction, and that worked out great. It was like fresh metal. And then I don't know, I just have two fuel filters. Anyways, new fuel pumps on. Okay, so we tried the ignition. We got nothing. Starter's not doing nothing. So we're gonna give the starter 12 volts and see if she will crank. See if she'll crank over. Nothing. I know it's hard to see, but down in there, Mr. Starter positive. Hey, buddy. Something Mr. Starter took a pooey. He took a poopy. So we'll have to get another one. Alright, I think, well, I know, I put the new starter in. So that was cool. I already tested it, it works. So let's get this thing to fire. Alright, this is the moment of truth. We have our newly rebuilt starter. And it's time to try it out. See what she does. Alright, update time. So the truck runs, right? But it's got too much gas. The electric pump I bought is sold by CarQuest, and it's rated at 9 psi, and so that's too much. So I went ahead and pulled the hose here, and I bought this guy. It's made by Mr. Gasket. I just thought he was. So they have other ones. I mean, this one just looked just real simple. It goes up to what, 5 psi. And it goes max to 6 pounds. So that's pretty good. Like, if I want to add some mods to this later and I need a little more fuel pressure, it'll work. So right now we're gonna open this thing up and get it installed. So we open the package, right? We got all these different size fittings. Some of these are too big. This one seemed to fit really good, so we're gonna try that one out. All right, check it out. It's pretty snazzy. Right now I have it set to 3 psi. So I'm curious. So they're gonna flood out again. Let's find out. Alright, update. So it runs, right? Works like a charm. Heater core decided to bypass, start pulling the hoses. Didn't make sense why. I think prior this thing was getting warm. So I was wondering if it was like because the heater core is super old, from the 70s, so if that was plugged, I don't know. So then I was pulling the thermostat housing, that thing, it was rotten. So I was like, well, new hoses, new thermostat housing, bypass heater core, and then I was looking at this guy, and he looks blocked. So he looks plugged, and if that was, feeding to the top, that's not good. So we're gonna pull him out, see if we can clean him and save it or replace it. We'll see. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. Say hi. Maybe Mr. Grumpy's. So we got thermostat going in. And a box full of stuff. Goodies. Oh yeah, a new thermostat. The old one was pretty gross. Check it out. Anyways, new parts. Alright, so here's an update. No more radiator. Found some leaks, so I'm gonna be replacing that or have it refixed or rebuilt, whatever. Put new floats. Well, thinking about having the radiator fixed. I think that's what happened last time. But that could be. So we got a new radiator. It's pretty nice. Nice. It's aluminum. Put a flex fan. I bought a fan clutch, but I forgot. This thing had electric fans prior, so I don't have a fan blade. So throw a flex fan on there. And we'll see how it does. So we have the brackets, right, for the radiator. They don't work. I guess the other radiator was a lot taller. So basically I'm gonna have to cut these to get them to work, which is good. I mean, this one's more slim, I guess, but yeah, let's do it. Woohoo! Ooh, that's gonna look pretty good. I mean, better fitment for sure. I gotta get this paint off first before I could try to tack it. It's a lot of old paint. Do 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 do. Okay, I never said I was a welder, so but the rubber started to catch fire, so I had to chill out. Gotta have some rubber in there. Alright. So painted those. And we got it somewhat mocked up. Some hoses on. Just trying to get the bottom hose going. And yeah, it's coming along. Starting to look pretty good. It's looking really good. Put the brackets on. The paint wasn't quite dry, so got my fingerprints. And this one I snapped off the head. So that's no fun, but it's solid, man. I think it's gonna go anywhere. Let's put some coolant in it.
Can I stop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that? It's bad gas.
Yeah, bad gas. Bad gas.
Brown, look at it.
Yeah, it's gross. We have to get it out of there. So, yeah, I guess. Nasty.
Nasty.
We have to get it out, but how?
Just like that. Run the fuel pump.
Oh, the fuel pump.
Suck it out.
Stick it out. I need it to stop anyway. And I can get it out.
Does that gas have poop?
Nope.
Are you sure? Does the
Yeah.
truck eat poop?
No.
Does he poop? He
No.
farts.
No.
Yeah, he does. He
No.
farts. Does he like bean burritos? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you really sure?
Yeah.
If we shove a bean burrito right down where the filter goes, what would happen?
I don't know.
Is he gonna fart?
I don't think it's gonna break.
Why is his gas so brown? Is it because he held his pee too long? No? Are you sure?
Yeah, because he doesn't have it.
Oh, he doesn't have that?
Mm-mm.
What's gas? We know it's fire, right? It's flammable?
Flammable.
Flammable, yeah. There's brown gas down there.
No, look down here. Look down here. Oh, look down there. Whoa.
So what makes it brown? Is it rust?
I think it's rust.
Is it water?
I just think it's rust. That's rust.
Or is it too many bean burritos?
It's not too many bean burritos.
Does he drink coffee?
No.
If he drank coffee, it would make brown pee.
He's peeing already.
Yeah, he's peeing a lot.
Yeah. Oh. So, when is it gonna be out?
But I don't know what was in that tank. I thought it was empty.
Me too.
I guess not. Maybe water got in through the gas cap. That's why the truck doesn't like it.
Yeah, looks like.
It doesn't want to run right. Nope. Okay, let's drag it out and see what we got.
Oh, tough.
Wow, huh?
Yeah. It's too dirty oil.
That's not oil, baby. That's from the gas tank.
Yeah. See?
That's from the gas tank. The fuel pump pulled all that out from the tank.
Yeah. Oh. Ew.
Yummy.
Ew.
Yummy.
Ew, gross.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Just kidding. So we got the old gas out, right? We got some fresh 91 in there. I was concerned about the temp gauge not working, so with this bad boy set up, with the new one, here's the old one. Sorry, it's not focusing too well. Sounds happier. Not all that smoke coming out the exhaust.